Hi, today's video will show you how to install fonts in Canva. So I downloaded a really cool font from my favorite source, dafont.com. It's called Conthrax. And these font files are delivered in a zip archive. So the first thing we're going to do is right click and extract it. And inside the new folder, you can see the .otf file for this new font. So now we're ready to go to Canva. I do want to preface this that this option is only available in Canva Pro accounts. So first thing you're going to do is go to your brand kit of your Pro account, click the brand icon on the left side menu, and then click fonts. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the brand kit, you can manage uploaded fonts. Click add new and then browse to the folder where you downloaded and unzipped your font archive. And we're going to pick this OTF file for Conthrax. Click open. And it is going to give you a disclaimer. You're acknowledging that you have the rights to use this font inside Canva. Many fonts do have a terms of use, so be sure that you're honoring the author of the font by using it according to the terms of use. So I am in compliance with their license, so I'm going to just simply click confirm and upload. And it's now added to my uploaded fonts. So now we're going to test our upload. I've just started a quick blank design in Canva. Just add some text. We'll just add a text box. This is a test. And let's make that a little bigger so we can see how cool this font is. Okay, so by default it's going to Canva Sans. So if I pick the font selector, let's type in the name of my new font, Conthrax. Here it is, and look at that. It's ready to go. So that's how you install fonts in Canva. If you had any problems or any questions, leave me a comment down below. Hope that helps.